Hello everyone. To identify orthopara and meta-directing groups, let's see some structure here and then we'll see how to identify. Like suppose if we have toluene here or benzaldehyde, structures first I'll write and then we'll see nitro group we have like nitrobenzene, benzene sulfonic acid, or if we have aniline. Many more compounds we are going to see here. Suppose if we have benzamide, okay, even I'll write phenol here and say this is chlorobenzene we have, and some structures like aldehyde we did. We'll write benzoic acid, or if benzoyl chloride. Even I'll write one more here, say cyanobenzene, or with structures I'll just see if something is left here is okay. I'll put say any sol here. Suppose if these all compounds we have many more here, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, 12 are there. How to identify which one is ortho para directing and which one is meta directing? For that, a very important note we have to keep in mind, that is, if oxygen is after linkage with benzene ring, that you'll understand when I'll write this. When oxygen is after, that shows meta directing group. Say for example, in these all, where is oxygen after? As you see here, oxygen is after, here also after, here after in the sense what? Means this benzene is bonded to carbon, here nitrogen, here sulfur, not directly with oxygen. If you'll see here, carbon is there. Here also the carbon is there. And where is oxygen? If you'll see, oxygen is after. Say after is this I'm talking about. If you'll see, also after is there. Here oxygen after, here also. Okay. Now rest all what? Remaining all are orthopara directing. So we'll do one thing. We'll write number. Say we'll put number here. So this is number one. This compound is we'll put number, and then it becomes easy for us to classify. We can say here, say this 8 here, 9, 10 here, 11, and 12. Why I wrote the number, then I can write meta directing groups are. Say meta directing groups here are number we can identify as it is marked here, means example number 2, and this even 3 number, say 4, and this 6 number, then 9 and 10 number. These all are meta directing groups, and rest all are ortho para directing groups. So that you can see here, as remaining is 1. Even we can say 1 in the sense toluene, number 5 aniline, and next is your phenol and chlorobenzene, and next we have say 12 number I'll write, that is anisole. Why I didn't write this 11 number? As this should, according to this what I have given here, according to this note, what is given, if oxygen is after, that compound will be meta directing group. So here oxygen is not there. So if oxygen is after, then meta directing, but in this oxygen is not there, but then also this meta directing, means under this meta directing 11 number comes. The place is not here in orthopara. This is exceptional case. In our chemistry, Generally what we do, we observe in most of the cases, what happens is exceptional cases are there. So even for this orthopara directing, I'll write one structure, say we'll give number 30 number here. That is, the structure is like benzene, which is having NHCOR. According to the note which is given here, oxygen after is meta directing. Here oxygen is after, but this is not meta directing. So that 13 number comes in, say I'll write with this here. That exception I wrote with this different pen, different color, this exception there. So this two, this comes under meta directing, and here it comes in orthopara directing. Two exceptional cases are there. Rest all, it becomes easy to identify the groups orthopara directing and meta directing.